Welcome to PRIMP and Proper, my Vancouver beauty salon, and to Faye Agency, my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I am going to do a little bit of a makeup challenge today, transforming my makeup from this everyday look to full glam in just 5 minutes. You think I can do it? I'm gonna try. So if you are like me and have a very busy lifestyle and you just need a few tricks on how to jazz up your look quickly, this video is definitely for you. You could do this in the bathroom, you could do this in the car, not while you're driving. It's quick, it's easy, fast way to make yourself look super glamorous when you have absolutely no time. So let's get to it. Okay, we're gonna do this in real time. We're timing 5 minutes and those 5 minutes start now. And red lips all the way. Oh my God. I shouldn't have had coffee before doing this. Okay, pointing it on, finessing the edges. If this is all I get on, I still look good. Boom, lips. Lips are done. Eyes. So I'm just going to do a little bit of a simple contour to begin with. Again, knowing that I don't have much time, I'm just doing what I really need to begin with. And any extra time I have at the end, I'm going to finesse. Start going here. Contour, contour, contour. Boom. Give me a pencil brush. Same thing on the lower lash line. Maybe with a darker color so it makes more impact. Little crease. Gotta pull the mascara face. Just always makes everything easier. You're just going in with the dark brown in the outer corners. Blend with a blending brush. Want to make sure this is good. A little bit of a sparkle on the eyelid. Okay, let's touch up the skin. We're going to do contour. Oh my God, I put way too much on. Oopsie. It's fine. It's a nighttime look. I'll go out looking like a clown. Good. Halfway, oh my God. Okay, we're gonna do it, it's all good. Good. Blush. My blush is already still looking pretty good from earlier, but just a little smidge more with this red lip, I think. Highlight. Pencil, black pencil, eyeliner. I'm going to smudge it out because a smudged out eyeliner is much easier to do. Plonk it on. Oh my God, I'm stressed and this is really just like 1 minute. Oh my God, that time just went by so quick. Okay, smudging this out. I need powder. Holy cow. Powder, 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 powder. Youngblood Mineral Cosmetics. Always the best powder. Should have been done before. All right, go, 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 go. Just get rid of that shine. Okay. Done. Okay, so this was 5 minutes. You saw the transformation. This looks like red carpet ready if you ask me. If you really wanted to spend the extra 2 minutes popping on some lashes, you could, but I kind of like the no lash look at the moment. So popping on a bright lip color like a red lip or a hot pink is instantly going to make you look more fancy. Even if you don't have time to do anything else on the eyes other than mascara, popping on that lip, a little extra blush, you're good to go. It's so fancy. Now with the eyes, if you're looking to jazz up eyes really quick and easy, going in with a simple contour is really fast and easy with those window wiper motions. And then taking your pencil brush and literally doing the same along the lower lash line. It's so fast, it's so easy. Fastest eyeliner to do is your pencil and blending it. That way you're not having to, focus on creating perfect lines like a winged eyeliner. Of course, because it was already building on top of my day look, I already had foundation on. I just needed to bump up the contour, bump up the highlight, bump up the blush, and then I just wanted to de-shine a little bit from the day with a little bit of my Youngblood Mineral Cosmetics, which does have some coverage as well, so it just kind of finesses everything. My eyebrows were already done. I could easily spray a setting spray on and off I go for my night out here in 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. So all of the cosmetics and brushes that I used today for this look were Youngblood Mineral Cosmetics, which I do retail at my salon in Vancouver, in the store and online. If you want to check them out, head to the link primpandproper.com. If you've got questions about these products, I just love them. I discovered this line in 2009 or 2010, and honestly for my day-to-day wear and some staples in my professional kit, I just can't live without them. They're so versatile for day looks and then transitioning into the evening looks too. I hope you like them too. With these tips, do you feel like you can transform your day look to evening like this in 5 minutes? Give it a go and let me know how you do. Leave me comments down here. I'm always happy to chat. Please make sure to share this video, subscribe, practice at home, and follow along with all these little steps and tricks that I show you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.